In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a slide number in Figma slides. Adding slide numbers is a simple yet incredibly effective way to enhance the professionalism and navigability of your presentations. Whether you're presenting to a large audience, sharing your deck with colleagues, or simply organizing your own thoughts, slide numbers provide a clear reference point, making it easier for everyone to follow along and refer back to specific content. Let's dive in and see how effortlessly you can implement this feature into your Figma presentations. To begin, open your Figma Slides project. Direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll find a small circular icon featuring a plus sign, often called the Insert or Add button. This icon is your gateway to adding various elements to your slide deck, located prominently for quick access. It helps you bring in new content, like text, shapes, images, or, in our case, structural elements such as slide numbers. Go ahead and click this plus sign icon to reveal a drop-down menu of available options. Once you've clicked the plus sign icon, a menu will appear, listing different elements you can add. Scan through these options until you find Slide Number. This option is designed to automatically insert and manage page numbering for your entire presentation. It's a convenient feature that saves you from manually numbering each slide, a tedious and error-prone task. Selecting Slide Number enables this functionality across your deck. Go ahead and click on Slide Number now. After clicking Slide Number, you might not immediately see a dramatic change. However, if you look closely at your current slide, specifically towards the lower right-hand corner, you will notice a newly added number. This number represents the current slide's position within your presentation. Figma automatically places it in a common, unobtrusive location. The beauty of this feature is its dynamic update. As you add, delete, or reorder your slides, these numbers will automatically adjust to reflect the correct sequence, ensuring consistent and accurate numbering throughout your entire presentation. You can zoom in for a clearer view if needed, confirming its successful addition. And just like that, you've successfully added slide numbers to your Figma presentation. This simple addition significantly improves the user experience for anyone viewing your slides. It helps audiences track progress, facilitates questions about specific slides, and aids presenters in navigating content seamlessly. While the default placement is in the lower right, remember that slide numbers are often customizable in terms of font, size, and color, allowing you to perfectly match them with your presentation's overall design aesthetic.